If you wonder, how long does new iOS 16 take to install? Go through this passage. We will delve into the total time it typically takes to complete, including the time required for preparation, downloading, and updating the iOS. Further, you'll get some other related helpful tips here. Part 1. What are the new features in iOS 16? Health app. Now tracks medications. Fitness app. Accessible to all iPhone users, even without an Apple Watch. Face ID. Works in landscape mode on supported iPhone models. Messages, editing, deleting, and marking messages as unread. Part 2. How long does iOS 16 take to install? On newer Apple models, the update usually takes about 10–20 minutes. iOS 16. For iPhone 13 running iOS 15.6.1, the download can finish in less than 10 minutes. Older devices may take more than 20 minutes. Part 3. Why does it take so long for iOS 16 to install? System issues can be resolved with iOS system recovery. Time-consuming backups, storage limitations, poor internet, older models, server demand, and new features can affect iOS 16 update process. Part 4. How to fix iOS 16 update timeout. Check device compatibility. Wait after release to avoid server overload. Charge battery to 50% plus. Use iTunes for installation. Stable internet connection. Close apps. Reboot stuck update. Reset network settings. Part 5. How to install iOS 16 quickly via iOS System Recovery One-Stop Solution. For faster iOS 16 installation, try iOS System Recovery. It updates your device quickly, scans for 50+ bugs, and resolves them automatically, ensuring a smooth firmware upgrade.